Hello everyone! Today we're gonna discuss the contents of the lesson 18 of the MANABU online textbook. And if you want to know more about this lesson, please check my grammar lesson video on our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So for the lesson 18 sentence patterns, let's read number 1. Jeffrey sang wa kanji o yomu koto ga dekimasu. Jeffrey sang wa kanji o yomu koto ga dekimasu. So the pattern for this sentence is verb dictionary form koto ga dekimasu. And if you don't know how to conjugate the verbs into the dictionary form, I already made a video on how to conjugate verbs into their dictionary form. Just watch my lesson 18 grammar explanation video on our YouTube channel. So let's proceed to sentence pattern number 2. Watashi no shumi wa eiga o miru koto desu. Watashi no shumi wa eiga o miru koto desu. So this sentence pattern is used to express or tell someone about your hobbies or your interest. So the pattern used in this sentence is shumi wa noun desu, shumi wa verb dictionary form koto desu. Sentence pattern number 3. Nerumai ni nikki o kakimasu. Nerumai ni nikki o kakimasu. So the sentence pattern used in this sentence is verb dictionary form mai ni verb 2. So verb dictionary form mai ni, before doing the verb 1, you will do, or I will do, the verb 2. So before doing the verb 1, I will do the verb 2. So now let's proceed to the example sentences. Now for the example sentences, once again, Bansang will join us today.
Hey everyone.
So let's read the example sentences together. Let's start from number 1. Kuruma no unten ga dekimasu ka?
Hai, dekimasu.
Once again, kuruma no unten ga dekimasu ka?
Hai, dekimasu.
Okay, so the first sentence or the question was kuruma no unten ga dekimasu ka? So the sentence pattern or the pattern used in this sentence is noun ga dekimasu. Okay, noun ga dekimasu means you can do the noun. The dekimasu means can do. So noun ga dekimasu, add particle ka to make it a yes or no question. Yes or no. He said yes, dekimasu, I can do, or I can. Okay, example sentence number 2. Rei-san wa jitensha ni noru koto ga dekimasu ka?
Iie, dekimasen.
Once again, Rei-san wa jitensha ni noru koto ga dekimasu ka?
Iie, dekimasen.
Okay. So once again, this is a yes or no question. So we're talking about Rei-san. Rei-san wa, then the verb is jitensha ni noru. From the verb jitensha ni norimasu, to ride a bicycle. So noru is the dictionary form of the verb norimasu. If you add koto, take note that if you add koto to the dictionary form of the verb becomes a noun. So remember the pattern used on our first example sentence, the noun ga dekimasu. You can do the noun. So this one, jitensha ni noru, is a verb to ride a bicycle. So the sentence pattern is noun ga dekimasu. To make it a noun ga dekimasu, we have to make the jitensha ni noru a noun, or we convert it to a noun. So we will add koto. So from the verb sentence, if we add koto, it will become a noun. So we will follow the noun ga dekimasu pattern. So jitensha ni noru koto ga dekimasu ka? Yes or no? He said iie, dekimasen. Number 3 example sentence. Osaka jou wa nanji made kengaku ga dekimasu ka?
5時までです。
Once again, Osaka jou wa nanji made kengaku ga dekimasu ka?
5時までです。
So the question was Osaka jou wa, we're talking about the Osaka castle. Nanji made, so this is the interrogative word. Nanji made, nanji is what time and made is until. So what time or until what time nanji made? Kengaku ga dekimasu ka? So once again, kengaku ga dekimasu, the noun ga dekimasu. Kengaku means sightseeing or touring around. Kengaku ga dekimasu, you can see the Osaka castle. He said 5時までです. 5時までです. Until 5 o'clock. So he answered the interrogative nanji made, and the answer is goji made. Goji made desu. Number 4. Number 4. Kado de harau koto ga dekimasu ka?
Sumimasen ga genkin de onegai shimasu.
Once again, kado de harau koto ga dekimasu ka?
Sumimasen ga genkin de onegai shimasu.
So the question was kado de harau koto ga dekimasu ka? So kado de harau, from the verb kado de haraimasu. Haraimasu means to pay. Kado de using card. So harau is the dictionary form plus koto. It will become a noun. Then ga dekimasu, you can do this action. Kado de haraimasu. Ga dekimasu ka? Yes or no question. He answered sumimasen ga, I'm sorry. Genkin de onegai shimasu. Please use cash. Genkin de. Okay, number 5. Shumi wa nan desu ka?
Furui toke wo atsumeru koto desu.
Okay, shumi wa nan desu ka?
Furui toke wo atsumeru koto desu.
So the question was, shumi wa nan desu ka? What is your hobby, or what things are you interested in? Or what are your interests? Shumi is hobby or interest. Wa nan desu ka? He answered furui toke. So furui toke, old clocks. Wo, particle o, atsumemas, to collect old clocks. Then the dictionary form atsumeru plus koto, it will become a noun. So the question was nan desu ka? The interrogative is nan desu ka? So the answer should be noun desu. So atsumeru plus koto, it will become noun. So noun desu, atsumeru koto desu. Number 6. Nihon no kodomo wa gakkou ni hairu mai ni hiragana wo oboe nakereba narimasen ka?
Iie, obai na kotemo ii desu.
The question was, it's a very long question. The Nihon no kodomo wa gakkou ni hairu mai ni. So Nihon no kodomo wa, the kids in Japan. Gakkou ni hairu mai ni, from the verb hairimasu. So gakkou ni hairimasu, to enter school. Hairu mai ni, dictionary form of hairimasu is hairu mai ni, before entering. Hiragana wo oboe nakereba narimasen ka? So the nakereba narimasen ka, must do. Then question mark, yes or no question. He answered iie, oboe nakutemo ii desu. So in our previous lessons, the nakutemo ii desu means don't have to do. So oboe nakutemo ii desu, they don't have to learn it, or they don't have to memorize. Oboemasu. Number 7. Shokoji no mai ni kono kusuri o nonde kudasai.
Hai, wakarimashita.
Okay, so the first sentence, shokoji no mai ni. So in case of noun, shokoji is a noun, but it indicates an action. Shokoji is a meal, to have a meal. Shokoji no mai ni, before the meal. So we will attach the particle no, because shokoji is a noun. Noun no mai ni. Kono kusuri o nonde kudasai. Please take this medicine. He answered, hai, wakarimashita. Yes, I understand. Number 8. Itsu kekkon shimashita ka?
3年前に結婚しました。
So the interrogative in this question is itsu, when. Asking for the time. Kekkon shimashita ka? When did you get married? He answered, 3年前に, 3 years ago. Kekkon shimashita. So with these example sentences, we've learned the 3 ways to use the mai ni. So first is verb dictionary form mai ni. The second is noun no mai ni. The third is time or time duration mai ni. So for example, 3年前に, 3 years ago. You can also use 1時間前に, 1 hour ago. So now guys, let's watch the lesson 18 conversation video. Bansang no shumi wa nan desu ka?
写真です。
どんな写真を撮りますか?
動物の写真です。特に馬が好きです。
それは面白いですね。 Nihon ni kiti kara umano siya shinotoremashita ka?
いえ、日本ではなかなか馬を見ることができません。
北海道に馬がたくさんいますよ。
本当ですか？じゃあ夏休みにぜひ行きたいです。
So now for the lesson 18 exercise A, I will read the sentences and please repeat after me. Now we will start from this table, the dictionary form of the verbs. So as I mentioned earlier, I already made a video how to conjugate the verbs from must form to the dictionary form of the verbs. So now let's review. For the group 1 verbs, if we remove the must, all last characters are E sound characters. So for example, the kaimas, remove mas, kai, so E sound. Next, kakimas, remove mas, kaki. Uyogimas, uyogi. Hanashimas, hanashi. Tachimas, tachi. Yobimas, yobi. Hairimas, hairi. Now, just simply change the E sound characters to their U sound characters. So let's start from the verb kaimas. From E, it will become cow. Kai, cow. Next, kakimas, kaki, kaku. Uyogimas, uyogi, uyogu. Hanashimas, hanashi. From shi, it will become su, hanasu. Tachimas, from chi, it will become tsu, tatsu. Yobimas, yobi, yobu. Hairimas, hairi, hairu. Okay, next, for the group 2 verbs, just simply remove mas and add ru. So for example, nimas, remove mas, add ru, neru. Tabemas, taberu. Okimas, okiru. Mimas, miru. Karimas, kariru. And for the group 3 verbs, let's start from the group 3 verb kimas, which means to come. So remember that kimas will become kuru, not kiru, because the kimas from the group 2 verbs will become kiru. Remove mas and add ru. But the group 3 kimas is kuru. Next, shimas. From shimas, it will become suru. Shimas, suru. Then, for the nouns plus shimas, just change the shimas to suru. For example, unten shimas, unten suru. Benkyo shimas, benkyo suru. Number 1, Jeffrey sang wa nihongo ga dekimasu. So this sentence pattern again, the noun ga dekimasu. Nihongo ga dekimasu, can do nihongo or can speak nihongo. Can do nihongo, or in other words, can speak nihongo or understand nihongo. Next line, Jeffrey sang wa kuruma no unten ga dekimasu. Kuruma no unten is a noun, driving of car. Ga dekimasu, can drive a car. Next, Jeffrey sang wa kanji o yomu koto ga dekimasu. So from the verb kanji o yomimasu, to read kanji, the dictionary form of yomimasu is yomu plus koto. It will become a noun phrase. So just remember that we are following the noun ga dekimasu pattern. So to follow the noun ga dekimasu pattern, the verb yomimasu must be transformed into a noun. So dictionary form plus koto. Yomu koto ga dekimasu. Next, Jeffrey sang wa piano hiku koto ga dekimasu. Mr. Jeffrey can play piano. Piano o hikimasu, to play piano. Hiku koto is a noun, ga dekimasu. Number 2, koko de kopi ga dekimasu. Koko de kopi ga dekimasu. So other translation for the verb dekimasu aside from can do is possible, or something is possible. Kopi ga dekimasu, it means that copying is possible. You can photocopy here, koko de. Next, koko de hotero no yoyaku ga dekimasu. You can book a hotel here. Next, koko de kippu o kau koto ga dekimasu. Kau koto from the verb kaimasu. Kau koto ga dekimasu. You can buy ticket here. Next, koko de okane o kairu koto ga dekimasu. From the verb okane o kaemasu. Kaemasu, to change money. So for example, from dollars to yen. Kairu koto ga dekimasu, you can change money. Koko de. Here. Number 3, watashi no shumi wa sports desu. So once again, shumi wa noun desu. In this example, shumi wa sports desu, my hobby, or I am interested in sports. Next line, watashi no shumi wa ryoko desu. My hobby is traveling. Next line, watashi no shumi wa dobutsu no shashin o toru koto desu. So from the verb shashin o torimasu, dobutsu no shashin o toru koto desu. My hobby is taking pictures of animals, or I am interested in taking pictures of animals. Last line, watashi no shumi wa uma ni noru koto desu. Watashi no shumi wa uma ni noru koto desu. So from the verb uma ni norimasu, to ride a horse. Uma ni noru koto desu. My hobby is riding horses. So that's it for today's lesson, guys. Please watch my lesson 18 grammar explanation video on our YouTube channel for you to learn more about today's lesson. Dewa, minasang, gambatte ne.